Okay, that was a bit of a slow fail, but whatever. So yes, May 25, 2021, and inside of this box, I have a Lenovo wireless mouse. Now, in the previous video, I unboxed one in Abyss Blue that I almost thought was black, but then when I looked at it closer, I actually realized, no, this is indeed blue, just a really, really deep blue, hence the name Abyss. What threw me off is that online they showed a much brighter blue than this, so that's why I was confused at first, but later on in that video, I just got over that. Now, what I should also say is that in that video with the Abyss Blue mouse, I was like, oh, when the red one comes, I'm just going to keep it a very short video and I'm not going to really give it the full extensive treatment. Well, I changed my mind. This video is going to end up being over 10 minutes long because I'm going to do my usual shenanigans where I tested on the different operating systems. So you'll either be really happy about that or really annoyed if you were expecting a short video. But then again, if you're expecting short videos on this channel in general, then you're in the wrong place. So, with that said, let's cut into it. I think there's a packing zip. Yes, there is. And look at that beautiful cherry red. Again, it looks darker than the one online, but I guess that's just an over for you. Like, they'll show it looking brighter online, but then when you actually look at it in person, it's a bit darker. But to be honest, though, at least this one actually looks red. Unlike the blue one where I almost thought it was black, this one, you can so obviously tell that it looks red. Even under this camera light, it still looks undeniably red. Although some might say it looks more like a brick red, and I wouldn't blame you for thinking that. Like, even if I shine this light on it, yeah, this looks like the color of bricks. This doesn't give you the impression of cherries, so maybe if they just called it brick red, that should be completely accurate, but it's still red, so I'm okay with that. I like red. It's one of my favorite colors, along with blue and green. Those three are my all-time favorite colors. So if they had a green version of this, I would definitely get the green so I could have red, blue, and green, which would have been so sweet. But, there's no green. So, I'll just slide this out, pop out that dot, and it just slid right off my desk, but it's not like it's very cheaply made or anything. Oh wait, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to get my USB to 3.0 adapters for these devices, so yeah, I don't know, maybe I might have to pause the video, or maybe I can just talk to you in the meantime while I grab them. But then again, I might not exactly have the most interesting things to say, so yeah, I just have to pause the video and then come back once I grab them. But before I do just that, I'm going to take a look inside of this. You shine my light on it, and inside you can see some certifications. You can see the writing, what it applies to, whatever, and all sorts of things that you do not care about. You just want to see this mouse working. You just want to see me do those games. Okay, so I'm going to prepare this BlackBerry watch. I don't really need to prepare him. Instead, I just need to take this off of this battery, and then I will grab the USBs. In the last video, I actually remembered to do that off camera for this one. I'm not sure I did not do that, but it's not that big of a deal. All I have to do is just stop the video and then resume once I have them. So because the mouse is set up now, I'm going to grab the USBs, or in the meantime, I guess I can throw the phones in the background. Or not in the background, in front of the camera, really. I can't have them in the background, because if they're in the background, then you would not be able to see the action. This time, I don't think I'm going to be bothered with iOS. Do you mind if I leave iOS out, or do you not mind? If you're watching this far into the video, let me know if that bothered you, because if it did, then I will know that you were paying attention. Or even if you were paying attention and you don't care, then, well, you just don't care. So, yes, now I need to grab my USBs. I think I'll still keep the camera rolling because you know what, I'm just going to keep chatting while I grab them. Since thankfully they were close to the top, because it wasn't that long since I've unboxed my Abyss Blue mouse. So yes, we have the USB-C for this Microsoft phone, and then we have this one. I can be using this one and then this one afterwards. So yes, it works. Unless I'm going to use one of my Outex. Actually, I think I'm going to throw in some of the Outex. Yes, so the Outex there. And thankfully, I did not even have to stop the video. It just keep going. Okay, so who do I want to try first? Well, would you look at that? 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yes, you know that I'm making this video in the late evening. Who do we test? You know, let me just test this one. Yeah, let's just test this one. Did I turn this on yet? No, it's off. So, oh, what do you think of that? It works. Isn't that a good sign? Now, from the last time, I had difficulty with the penetration with this adapter, so I'm hoping it won't be too hard to slide in. Like, I know some are just... Ugh. Yeah, I'm having difficulty with the penetration. I guess this is just too thick for it? I don't know. Goodness gracious, now it just sounds like I'm talking about sex. I had to say it, man. I had to say it. With all this whole penetration and the fitting or whatever, you're obviously thinking about sex. Like, let's be honest here. We're adults, aren't we? Or if we're not, and well, hopefully you're at least 13 years old and older, because if you're not, then you really, really should not be on this channel. No offense to you that are under 13, but it's in the channel description, really, and things like that, it's just who this channel is for and whatever. Anyway, so this mouse is working. Wait, I have to say this video first before I continue. Are the lights flickering? No, it's just that screen, but that's typical. So, let's do some gaming. Now, I still have not loaded much games onto this Microsoft Lumia 950 XL, but I need to seriously do that. The reason for that being is that when I use this phone, it's usually for a few things. Most of the time the camera, to be honest. Maybe occasionally the audio, like as a microphone. Sometimes I'll use it as a microphone. Not very often, but now and then. But majority of the time when I use this phone, it's for that fantastic camera, yes. Even in 2021, like, obviously it's certainly not the best. It's not going to produce those ultra fine 8K or 4K 60 FPS videos, but it's still plenty capable. Excellent. So you get the idea there. Okay, you know what? I should have actually focused the camera on that phone so it would kind of make around here dark, and then it would make there look sharper, but too late to do that now. Instead, I'll just penetrate the BlackBerry now and then the Korean. So once I'm done with those two, then that should be the end of the video. Alright, so in we go. Come on. Good. So I can take this out now. It even makes the same sound as your desktop. Make the camera focus over here so that the screen will actually look sharp. It's done. Alright, now how do we penetrate? Giggity. Did it recognize it? Or did I not go in far enough? Let's see. Oh, yeah, it recognizes it. So, okay, which of these games should I play? Hold on. Are we in frame? Is it focusing on it? Maybe I should bring it closer, actually, yes. But with what, though? I used to have something here, but it seems like I may have moved it. Actually, no, I know the distance is kind of far. Actually, no, maybe I should just hold it up like this. It's a bit awkward, but... actually, no, I don't want to be bending my back while I'm doing that, so... I'll just keep it like this. And let's keep the demonstration short. Who cares if you can't see too well, whatever. This isn't like a true heavy-duty game video. It's just a demonstration. I think last time I already demonstrated Flappy 2048, so let's demonstrate Cubics. I think that was the game I demonstrated on iOS last time. So I'm gonna demonstrate it. And yeah, as you can tell, I can't do anything because it is not click friendly, so never mind. Wow, okay, I want to just do something fresh. How about breakfast egg? Can I demonstrate that at least? Anything? Let me refocus this. Alright, let's see if breakfast Sega works. No, it doesn't work. It's not click friendly. Sheesh. What's it, these click unfriendly games? Wow, man. Wow. Okay, like, I don't know why so many BlackBerry 10 games just aren't click friendly. I think I need to load some more games onto this phone too. Okay, I'll just demonstrate Tunnel X. I remember back in the day, this video used to be pretty popular. Why am I saying this video? This game was pretty popular. But now, I don't know how many BlackBerry 10 users still play it. If you are a BlackBerry 10 user, do you play Tunnel X? And yes, this is click friendly. See that? If I swipe the mouse like this, it actually works. So that's good. Would this music give me a copyright strike? Because if it will, perhaps I should either mute it or turn it off. Although I don't think so. I think the last time when I did it in the past, it didn't do that. So I think I should be okay. I don't know though. Anyways, that would be the end of that demonstration. So let's just go home and we'll go to mute. And we will move this adapter into the Samsung. Okay, so I guess I probably will not be using this U-Green in this video. Actually, yeah, I guess I should. Or should I just use this one? Actually, yeah. I'll just use this one. Oh, boy. Actually, you know what? Thanks to that flap, I'm going to need one that is longer. Yes. Yes, we're going to need a longer USB adapter to reach into this Korean. Alright, so penetrated. And now, oh, this light is so easy. Would you look at that? Not fussy like this one. Okay, move this one aside. Let the camera focus on the S5. And let's play Flappy Nyan. Should I move it more in the center? Yes. Focus it there. What's happened to the sound? Or is it on mute? Did I mute it? No? Okay, so I turned off the music for some reason. I don't know why. Well, that didn't last very long at all. Okay, I shouldn't have touched that Windows Phone because I would have probably made it if I didn't. Should I continue or do you get the idea? Actually, no, you want me to continue. I know you do. If I were doing this live, you'd be like, oh, just keep going. Or you'd probably be like, just stop. You suck and you're not going to ever go anywhere. Yeah. So, let's go back. Silence it now. And yes, that should be the end of this demonstration. Which of these two do you like more? Let me turn the lights on them so you can see their colors much better. Why does it look like that? Come on, this is supposed to be 4K 60 FPS. It's not exactly looking very 4K right now. I think it's because of all those other lights in the background that it's trying to deal with, but whatever. At least you can see the colors a lot more accurate. Actually, no, this one looks almost like clay now. LOL. Well... Oh yes, and I have to do my, what would I call it? I don't know. So okay, if you're wondering where you can buy these, you can so obviously get these from Lenovo. They are also officially available on eBay, so I have a link to this product below where you can buy it, enjoy it, and use it just the same way. Although you're probably not going to be plugging it into smartphones, you're likely going to be plugging it into your computer. Does it work on Mac OS? Well, I am almost certain that it does. It probably tells you somewhere. Actually, okay, it says operating system, Microsoft Windows 7, Microsoft Windows 10. I do not see macOS mentioned anywhere, but I'm pretty sure that it would like you to work on it. Because, I mean, if it can work on iOS, then why wouldn't it work on macOS?